Hello and welcome on in. It's Alan Hennessy here, the digital mentor, and today I wanted to jump on and talk to you about something really exciting. And it has been in the planning for the last year. It has been in the writing for the last year or so. And I'm finally delighted to be able to announce that my new book, my first book, has come out. I tell you, the reason why I wrote this book is because, as many of you know, I am the digital mentor and I help people with digital marketing, social media, content, and all of those great stuff that we do to create visibility and build our brand online. So I've been doing this for over 15 years now at this stage. And I've wrote so many different blog posts and I've wrote a huge amount of articles, done so many live videos. But there is nothing as good as having a book in your hand to be able to do this. And at the moment, we have a Kindle out, and the paperback is coming out in the next couple of weeks as well. So don't fret if you like a physical book. We will be talking about that. It will be coming out soon. But the whole idea behind writing this book was to explain and help hopefully simplify the process and fast track your learning into digital marketing and how you can create that visibility and build that brand awareness for your brand or your company or as an individual as well. So it covers a wide range of spectrums for people who want to learn how to use digital marketing effectively. And I'm delighted to be able to say that I've had some really positive feedback from it. We released it during the week, and so far we are number 3 on Amazon on the best-selling list, which is fantastic. And thank you to everyone for their support as well. So I suppose we should really talk about this thing here, this book here, and that's what it is. It is solving the digital marketing jigsaw puzzle. And the reason why, just to give you a little bit of background, the reason why I called it the jigsaw puzzle is simply because when we talk about social media, talk about digital marketing, we talk about your websites, your content creation, all of these different aspects are all part of a bigger jigsaw. So they're all pieces of a jigsaw. And by having all these pieces and putting them together, it creates this wonderful jigsaw for us. So that's the reason why it's called the digital marketing jigsaw puzzle. And that is one of the reasons. And I have to say, big thank you to Christine Smith, who sort of, when we were doing a bit of brainstorming, Christine sort of said, it's something like a jigsaw. And that's how the name came around. So a big shout out to Christine and thank you for your input as well while we were brainstorming this back a long time ago. Feels like ages ago, to be honest with you. So what is the book about? What is in the book? More to the point. So there's so much different content. I've covered a wide range of different topics within the book. So in all, there is around about 15 chapters. So it's not a small thing. Believe me, it's not a small thing. So what do we cover? We cover the outline of. We give you an outline of what it is that we're talking about. We help you to understand the concept of digital marketing. We also look at mindset, which is a big part. And as you know, I am an NLP master. So have really sort of talked a little bit about the mindset and how you get into a digital mindset. Because so many times that people talk to me and they say, oh, there's so much in this. I don't know where to start and I don't know what to do. So I try and get to people and I try to say to people, look, stand back from this, look at it, and then, put yourself into the customer's mindset of how it is. So I go into detail in that as a bit. We talk about goals and objectives. Well, what are your goals and your objectives when it comes to digital marketing? Because so many people just want to start posting content, but if you don't have goals and you don't have objectives when you're doing digital marketing, you're not really going to you're not going to really be successful on it. And I just wanted to put my phone on silent. Sorry there. And then we talk about your branding. So we're talking about your brand voice. We're talking about your logos. You're talking about how you portray yourself online. So what is the tone of voice that you're going to use? What are you going to do? How are you going to, build your brand? because your brand is more than just a logo. It's more than just a font. It is everything that you do. So as you can see, like when we were built, when I was writing this book, I decided that, obviously I have Compass Media, and that's the digital marketing agency. But where I when I sort of started thinking about this is okay, well, I'm writing this book, but I've nowhere to house all this information. I've nowhere to showcase all this information. So we built a brand. I built a brand around the digital mentor. So this has been over the last year or so. So it also explains parts of that in the book as well. We also look then at your planning and your strategy, because obviously you need a plan and you need a strategy that you're going to implement. So we talk about that and how you can do that. We also look at the framework for building successful campaigns. So it's not just building your brand, it's about building them campaigns all the way through the book as well. And just on a side note of this, excuse me, there is a workbook to go along with this. So you have a workbook that you can use, and it's downloadable. It's a PDF version, so you can take your notes, and then you can either print it off or you can use it digitally as well. So you can input the information on that and just save it then on a local file. So it helps you as you read through the book to be able to go through the process. And each section is obviously has a different filter as well within the book as well. So you can sort of document it as you go along, which is really good. And also the other great thing about this is the book has never been designed just to be a one fit. The great thing about this book is you can use this book as a reference to what you need to do on other campaigns going along the way. So that's a really, really important part of it as well. We also talk about creating your content. And as you know, I love to create content, and I'm all the time harping on about creating content. So I go into topics and I go into particular aspects of creating your content within that chapter as well. We look at graphic design, and we talk about how you can do it yourself, or if you don't have a big budget, to bring in a design agency, that you can actually do this. And I give you tips, tricks, and insights, and also websites and other bits and pieces in there that you can use. So there's a huge amount of information in this already, and you can see, and we're only through to the ninth chapter. So also in there, we talk about your implementation process. So you have all of this great content, and you have your plans, you have your strategies, you have your goals, you have your objectives, you have your mindset. All of this is getting there. So now what you need to do is start to implement this. So we talk about the implementation process in there of how you actually do it. And a lot of this information has been stuff that I've used in the past and stuff that I use on a regular basis, on a daily basis. So you're really getting into my mind as much as anything else. Also, in there, we talk about social currency and social proof. And there's a huge part of that, because at the end of the day, you need to have some social currency. You also need to have some social proof in there as well. Then we talk about publishing and promoting. So we talk about the publishing of the content, where you're going to publish it, how you're going to publish it, the the software that you can use, the tools that you can use in that, and then also what about how you are going to promote this. So like what we're doing here, we're doing a live, is one of the aspects in it, but there's many different aspects, and it's not just the digital end of it. It's also about the offline end of it as well. So we talk a little bit about that as well. And then we talk obviously about measurement and analytics. Now, very important part of when you're doing any type of digital strategy or digital marketing campaign is to making sure that you are measuring what you're doing, because as Peter Drucker says, what you can't measure, you can't fix. So it's about understanding that, really important parts as well. Then we talk about a little bit more about results in life and also in business and how you can get them. And there's a section on this which is all to do with NLP, and it'll help you to develop as a person, but it'll also help you to develop as a in business as well. So it's all about the structure that you're putting together, and it's all about thinking about your results of how you're going to get them. Okay, so there's a huge part of that in it. And then we talk we at the end of it, we put it all together. Or we pull all of the information together and we talk about your digital navigation journey. And that's as simple as that. So we talk all the way into in depth. Not we, I talk about it actually. So, and then there's a lot of quotes in the book. Now, this is the good stuff because there is bonus material in the book. So, littered throughout the book are a number of links which have also free ebooks. So, they're links to free ebooks for other aspects of it. So, we have tech guides, we have publishing your podcast, you've also got content creation, websites that you can go to. There's a digital toolkit in there. So there's a load of extra added bonus content in there. So it's not just the book. You're also getting, in effect, you're getting about 6 or 7 other books in this particular book. So I've really, really put this together because I feel there's a huge need for people to understand how digital marketing works, but also how they can do it in an easy and a cost effective way. And also, it gives you a great insight into how, things that you may have never thought about. You can put them in and there, and you can build that into your strategy. So it is well worth investing your time and your energy. And yet, okay, this is a bit of a sales ploy. I'm not saying it's not, but I'm also saying to you, it's a beneficial piece of literature that you can actually find. And now I can actually physically say, and I can say now with great pride, that I'm a published author. But so the book is available on Amazon. It's available on the Amazon sites. So let me just give you an idea. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon.com and also on Amazon.co.uk as well. It's available there. If you can't find it, what you do is go to my website at the digitalmentor.ie, and there you will see the My Book tab. And if you click on that, that will give you the direct link to it. So if you click on that, it'll give you a little bit more understanding around the book, but it'll also give you an idea as to how you can get the book. And it's a direct link. What I would ask is if you do buy the book, please leave a rating and a review, because that's what helps the book get seen by more people. Okay. So, as I said, if you want to buy it. Now, here's the special offer. This is the bonus. This is the bonus, especially just for this weekend. And I mean, this weekend is only between now and Sunday. I am putting the book out there for only $2.95. Okay. So it's $2.95. It's not even the price of a cup of coffee. Okay. But it's a special price because I'm launching this weekend, or I've launched it this week. I'm putting out that special price out there today for $2.95. So go and get it, because when this weekend is over, the price is going to shoot back up to its standard price. Okay. So jump on Amazon now and you can get it there. I'll just show you, see if I can give you an idea of where let me see where the book where you can actually see it. So let me just jump on here and show you my website, and it'll show you exactly where it is. So if you go to my book, which is on the Digital Mentor site. So it's the digitalmentor.ie / my hyphen book. And you'll see here is all the details on it. You can also click on the links and it'll bring you directly to Amazon where you can buy the book. And if you have a Kindle, guys, if you have a Kindle, where am I gone here? Sorry, I just jumped off. If you have an actual Kindle, we have Kindle Unlimited. So if you can just buy it, you can get it for a credit. So it won't even cost you anything. So even better again. But as I said, my big thing is what I would love you to do, if you'd be so kind as to give it a rating and also give it a review as well. It would really, really help me, and it'll also help with not so much the sales of the book, but the visibility of the book on Amazon. So, guys, I hope this is of benefit to you. And a big shout out, of course, to Cami Heuser from Zoetica Media and Smart Social Secrets. And Cami very kindly wrote the foreword for this book as well. So I'm very honored to have her as writing the foreword as well. So thank you so much for that. And guys, I hope this is of value to you. As I said, there's the book. I have to keep going that way. So there it is there. See it up there? That's called Solving the Digital Marketing Jigsaw Puzzle. It's available on Kindle at the moment. It will be available in a paperback version of this in about I think it's about 2 or 3 weeks. We're still waiting on the just for the final print to come through to us, and when we have it, I'll be able to send it to you. Okay, but as I said, you can buy it on Amazon at the moment, and you will be able to access it from my website at thedigitalmentor.ie. So, guys, have a great day, and hopefully, this has given you a little bit more insight into the book, and that you'll go ahead and you'll invest your money and invest your time and hopefully learn. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, get in contact with me. You'll always find me on LinkedIn, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever it is that you spend your time, you can jump on there. You can also contact me via the website and email me directly. Okay, so guys, have a great day, have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you soon. And please, if you do like what you're seeing here in this video, please share this video out with your friends on social media and let them know that we were here and that you have some exciting news from a good friend of yours. I'd be delighted if you could share it out for me as well. So, guys, have a great day, and I shall talk to you soon. And as I always say, be social. And remember, solving the digital marketing jigsaw puzzle will help you to navigate your digital marketing journey. Until next time, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.